Hello, hello again. How are you, my friends? Uh, yes, today I post a photograph on my Facebook of this little vignette I am doing with these wooden fences I made. So let me remove here the tape here, and I can show you how it goes. So it's a little of styrofoam. Okay, I start just blending a little black primer here around this, but I start working with this, and you guys can see how it goes. Okay, for this I use the terrains, muddy ground and the wet ground from AK to make all this this kind of muddy, and then I use colors. Right, for that I use three colors. For the brown color, it's I use the cork mainly on the wooden fences. I use the deep brown and the light brown too on the terrain. So then I make a little like I want to wear it is not this one. So I use a little of this inks from AK. These inks, it's really nice because they are very transparent, but I use with a lot of water, and I use this one, this ink, and this one, the luminous green. All right, as you can see now, you can see some of the green of the environment, and just with paints, right? And now this is almost dry, but I can start working with oils. And for this I'm going to use two filters, the dark brown, this one, and the light brown for desert yellow. Okay, you can see here the colors. And for the wood I will use this one. You can see it's very dark. It's a dark brown for vehicles, so normal for green vehicles. So at the moment I am darkening the vignette, and then I will start making some dry brushes and pop up all the highlights on this. I can go with this one. This is the dust to make something, but for now I just want these ones to go. So for the mixture I'm starting first with the dark brown. First, where is my glasses? Right here. Let's put the glasses. At the moment I'm like Mr. Magoo. Okay, and I'm going to thin the filters. Okay, this is the filters are very thin, but I use the thinner for thin more because I want to build the layers, and I just don't want to go very strong in one time. So let's check a little of this and put some there and over here. So for this I'm going to make a mixture right there on this cup. I'm going to grab for this just 4 drops for now. Okay, and I will grab from the thinner. Kind of 8 drops. I think it's enough, and I will use this cup to make all the mixes I'm going to use. For this I'm going to just use a big brush. It's a 0.8, so let's mix this nice, and let's start putting this random around the terrain. So I'm using first the darkest, and I will go on the recess to dark more. Also turning up the recess here around the fences too. And this is going to give very nice effects. And the good of this thinner, it's dry very quickly. Another thing, let me close this one. You don't want to have a big bomb right there. Let me go more here. I think you can see better what I'm doing. So this is a wash. It's like a filter. It's a filter, but I am doing like a wash. Okay. Now let's sweep this one. Of course, this is going to have pigments and vegetation. But just here you can see the things I do. Of course, I woke yesterday and today I respond to everyone. So if I lose any comments behind, just go again. I cannot go to everyone, I'm sorry. Okay, and it's done. So now let's use the lighter brown for desert yellow. So this is a very, it's a different color, so it's more clean, more bright. And these pigments are really nice, so they are very strong. Where I put it, so many things right here, sorry. Now just go to the thinner. A little more, okay. Good to go. And let's mix this. You can see now, because you have the moisture of the earlier filter, it spreads really good. When you don't have any pigments, okay, with these washes you can almost do the effect of the pigments. When I don't have the color I want for the pigment, I use washes like this. Okay, now I don't want to go near here on the fence, just here more around, and as you can see, it's so easy. This is going to make some deposits like dust. And of course, don't go too crazy. This will change a lot when it's dry. Let's go here on the back. And with a bigger brush it's better, because you load more of these, and I'm just tipping, okay, just dabbing, I want to say. You don't need to use the brush and give a brush stroke for this. Sometimes you think, oh, I got a little there, but look for this, and if you see there is too many, don't put too much. Okay, it's better you go with more layers. Not just here. The most high spots. And this is going to make a big difference, guys, believe it. Okay, for me it's good. I don't go any further with this. So just let it dry by itself. This time you can use, you can use the air dryer to dry, all right? But you are going to lose some of the effects you are doing just putting the filter where you want, okay? And now I'm going to use a little of the wash dark brown, but just for the woods, okay? And for that, I'm just going to put here a little. You see, I load the brush. I don't need too much. Yes, a little of my thinner. I think it's enough. So let's mix this. And this is more strong. And let's put here on the wood. Remember, work first dark and then go light for the highlights. So I'm doing just like the filter tube. It's a wash, it's going to enter on all the recesses on this. And when you are working with oils, just let the oils make his work. And as you can see, it's so simple. So this is a very simple steps, but very effective steps you do. Okay, so yeah, good. Now I just let it dry by itself, and then tomorrow I can continue working. And on the video of tomorrow, you're going to continue seeing how this go, right? So far just paints, and now just what you see in this last very little minutes, just a little of oils to give more realistic things on this. Then you see if you want to put more oils or not, start working with pigments, and of course, and again with paints for the highlights of all of this. Okay, so now let's put this rest, and today I want to show you another figure I have. Here it is. This one it's I need to assemble. Okay, so I want to show how it goes. So many parts. And yes, this is again from Bestiarium figures they have. So we got here the legs. As you can see, the details on this, it's really nice. So I'm going to put this on the website where you can buy, or you just can go here to the store. We got here the base. You can see we got here this pin, and on the foot where it goes, and it goes like this. So let's go a little out. Oh yeah, you see, just like this. Then we put this one right there. Oops, like this. Sorry mates. And as you can see, have this cage around. This cage came out. Okay, I just put it there for you paint more. We got here this one. It's for the chains running here. Okay, on the back. So these hands are like this. Very nice. This is one of his arms right there. Sorry, out of the camera. And this is the other arm, goes right there. And as you can see, you have a big chain. So this is one of the figures, and let me just see right here. So this is the caged one. So it's going to be out here on Rust Models and of course Ant Factory. And this design, this art, this beautiful art, is from Bestiarium Miniatures, guys. So here it is. If you want it, just ask me. Like yesterday, some of you guys asked me the things about the figures. I have lots and lots of figures, and I will show you all I have. Okay, so just let me put this away. And that dudes, I put the primer yesterday. It is still here. I don't have any time today. I work on my vignettes, and we stay today for this. So tomorrow I came again with another video with more development. On this one I do more work on the video for you guys to see. And of course, any questions about this, anything about this product, just ask me. Don't worry, or you just can go to directly for AK and ask. I have always people to answer all your questions, right? So I see you guys tomorrow, and have a great day. Bye.